This sausage-shaped fellow here is called Spirostomum, and is also a fairly common microbe. This microbe, in fact, is so huge, for microbe standards, that it can be seen with the naked eye. In fact, if you go, for example, to a pond that is being shaded by trees or bushes, you can see in the water between the algae sometimes something like small little white worms that almost don't seem to move much. This is Spirostomum. You definitely should check that with your microscope if you have one. They are absolutely fascinating. They have a few weird features up their sleeves. Spirostomum is able to contract itself within a fraction of a second to around 30% of its original length, which looks like this. They do this induced by external stimuli, for example vibrations, or chemical agents. They are especially sensitive to calcium ions. You can actually trigger a continuous reaction like this by introducing a lot of calcium ions into the water, like for example calcium chloride. However, while I was looking at some Spirostomum individuals, I came across this. I don't know exactly what happened to it, but it started to lose its head. And not only that, it started literally to get rid of it. It started to be annoyed by its damaged body part. I mean, I know they don't have heads, but it would be basically the head part. It's the direction in which they swim. I have no idea what might have caused this injury in Spirostomum. However, its reaction to it is very interesting. It uses its ability to contract rapidly to dispose of it. And once it managed to detach the head part from its cell, the head part swims away and develops a life of its own. I have no idea if it is able to regrow Spirostomum from body parts, but actually there are other microbes that can do that, namely Stentor. Stentor is able to regrow itself from pieces. Maybe Spirostomum is able to do the same. What do you think happened to Spirostomum? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Let's dig up some more dirt and let's stay curious. See you the next time. Bye.
Please listen carefully.